If you ride a motorcycle, you already know the painful truth. Cagers aren't looking out for you. Your lower back feels like it's 80 years old after 2 hours on the highway, and doing basic maintenance without a center stand is an absolute nightmare. But Amazon is overflowing with genius little upgrades that fix almost every single headache on 2 wheels. Today on Gadget Drop, we're breaking down 20 insanely useful motorcycle gadgets you can grab right now. Whether you're daily commuting through dense city traffic, carving up mountain twisties on the weekend, or heading out on a cross-country tour, these gear upgrades will completely change the way you ride. Let's jump right into the list. Starting off at number 20, let's talk about staying visible out there. The brake-free helmet light is one of the smartest safety upgrades you can put on your lid. It attaches magnetically to the back of virtually any helmet and uses built-in gyroscopic and accelerometer sensors to detect whenever you slow down. Whether you're grabbing a handful of front brake, downshifting hard, or engine braking down a steep hill, this ultra-bright LED strip lights up at eye level for trailing drivers. No wiring or complex setup required. Just slap it on and ride with total peace of mind. Speaking of high visibility, if you commute with gear, the Riderbag reflective motorcycle backpack makes sure you aren't invisible at night. Crafted from heavy-duty reflective material, this pack catches car headlights from blocks away, glowing brilliantly in low-light conditions. It's designed with ergonomic chest and waist straps so it won't flap around or pull on your shoulders at highway speeds. Best of all, it includes a dedicated slot for an optional back protector insert, turning a standard commuter bag into legitimate protective body armor for your spine. If your stock motorcycle seat feels like sitting on a wooden plank after 30 minutes, you need the DOUANDA Foldable Gel Seat Cushion. Factory saddles are notoriously brutal on your tailbone, but this gel pad uses 3D honeycomb technology to distribute your weight evenly and eliminate painful pressure points. The open air channel mesh keeps your rear cool on scorching summer days, and when you reach your destination, it folds right in half so you can easily stuff it into a saddlebag or backpack. There is nothing worse than accidentally pressing your leg against a red-hot exhaust pipe when pulling up to a red light. That's where the BurnJacket exhaust leg guard comes to the rescue. Instead of bolting ugly metal guards to your bike's exhaust header, you wear this comfortable, heat-resistant sleeve directly on your calf, underneath or over your pants. Made from flexible, high-temperature protective fabrics, it shields your skin and expensive riding pants from horrific third-degree burns without restricting your leg movement on the pegs.
Finding riding gloves that offer real protection while operating your smartphone or GPS is usually frustrating. The KEMIMOTO touchscreen riding gloves solve this problem completely. Built with reinforced hard-knuckle armor and abrasion-resistant palm padding, these gloves keep your hands safe in a slide while incorporating high-sensitivity conductive material on the index finger and thumb. You can easily adjust your navigation route, change tracks, or take a call without going through the annoying routine of taking your gloves off at every stop. Stop shaking your expensive smartphone to death on your handlebars and grab the LBW6 portable motorcycle CarPlay screen. Engine vibrations destroy phone camera optical stabilization systems over time. This rugged IP67 waterproof 6-inch touchscreen mounts cleanly onto your handlebars and wirelessly mirrors Apple CarPlay and Android Auto straight from your pocket. You get turn-by-turn navigation, Spotify playback, and hands-free calling on a super bright display that you can operate smoothly even while wearing thick winter gloves. If you want true futuristic heads-up display tech while carving up open roads, check out the BMW Connected Ride smart glasses. These sleek glasses project real-time navigation prompts, speed limits, and your current gear info directly into your right field of vision. They fit comfortably inside most full-face helmets and feature polarized lenses with built-in ambient light sensors for automatic brightness adjustment. If you love the idea of smart eyewear but want something universal that works across all motorcycle setups, the Blucap Moto motorcycle navigation sunglasses are an incredible alternative. These lightweight glasses feature audio navigation and directional light prompts built into the frame arms. They sync via Bluetooth to your smartphone, guiding you smoothly along unfamiliar back roads without visual distraction. With UV 400 polarized protection and a slim profile engineered not to pinch under helmet padding, they're perfect for long touring days. Next up is an all-in-one safety command center for your head, the Zonasyrn Smart Motorcycle Helmet. This isn't just a standard lid, it comes fully integrated with front and rear LED turn signals, brake lights, and built-in Bluetooth audio speakers. The integrated smart lighting system syncs with a wireless handlebar remote, ensuring surrounding drivers know exactly when you're turning or braking night or day. Combined with crystal-clear audio for GPS directions and hands-free calls, this helmet drastically raises your overall situational awareness.
If you prefer a modular flip-up style helmet with factory-integrated communication tech, the ILM Modular Bluetooth helmet is an absolute crowd favorite. Featuring built-in Bluetooth with up to 8 hours of talk time, this helmet lets you stream music, hear GPS voice prompts, and talk via intercom with fellow riders up to 1,100 feet away. The modular front latch flips up smoothly at gas stops or drive-thrus, and the drop-down inner sun visor means you'll never have to swap face shields when the sun goes down. Whether documenting scenic mountain passes or protecting yourself legally from reckless drivers, the AKEEYO AKY710S 4K bike camera with GPS is essential security for your motorcycle. Unlike standard action cams that run out of battery in 40 minutes, this unit features continuous loop recording, a massive included 64GB storage card, and built-in GPS that logs your exact speed and route coordinates directly onto the video feed. The ultra-crisp 4K wide-angle lens captures license plates clearly, even in low-light night riding conditions. To capture buttery smooth cinematic action shots for your channel or social media, you need the K&F Concept PP24 Windshield camera clamp. Standard adhesive mounts fail under heavy wind pressure or engine vibrations, but this heavy-duty aluminum clamp locks tightly onto windshields, handlebars, or crash bars without scratching surfaces. The 360-degree dual ball head allows you to angle your camera at any conceivable vantage point, guaranteeing rock-solid camera stability even when cruising at high speeds down bumpy roads. Motorcycle theft happens in seconds, but the YOHOOLYO disc brake lock turns your bike into an absolute nightmare for prospective thieves. Crafted from heavy-duty forged stainless steel, this compact lock clamps onto your brake rotor and features a terrifyingly loud 110 decibel motion-activated alarm. If anyone so much as bumps your handlebars or tries to roll your bike away, it blasts a deafening alert that deters thieves immediately. It also includes a bright neon reminder cable so you never accidentally ride off with it attached. Keeping your machine protected from harsh UV rays, torrential rain, bird droppings, and dust is non-negotiable if you park outdoors or in an open carport. The Benlari motorcycle cover large is crafted from heavy-duty 210D Oxford fabric with waterproof heat-taped seams that withstand intense downpours. It features reinforced front lock holes so you can chain your bike directly through the cover, plus wind-proof belly buckles at the bottom to stop gusty weather from turning your cover into a giant sail.
If your motorcycle doesn't have a center stand or you don't own a heavy paddock stand, cleaning your rear wheel or lubricating your chain is a back-breaking ordeal. Enter the BAOUFF Wheel Cleaning Stand. This heavy-duty aluminum roller pad allows you to roll your tire right onto two smooth spinning rollers. Once elevated on the pad, you can effortlessly rotate the wheel 360 degrees with one hand while applying chain lube or scrubbing caked-on brake dust off your rims. It's compact enough to throw into saddlebags for long trips. Pairing perfectly with that cleaning stand is the Stacool motorcycle chain brush. Trying to scrub a greasy, road grime-covered chain with a standard toothbrush takes hours and misses critical inner links. This three-sided bristle tool wraps around all four sides of your chain simultaneously, stripping away caked-on gunk in just a few quick passes.
The long, bristled tail end lets you deep clean your front and rear sprockets, protecting your drivetrain from premature wear and keeping your bike running silky smooth. Once your chain is spotless, you need top-tier lubrication, and the legendary Motul factory chain lube is the gold standard used by race teams worldwide. Formulated specifically for high-speed street bikes and heavy-duty O-ring, X-ring, and Z-ring chains, this white lubricant uses special tackifying additives that prevent fling-off onto your rear rim and riding jacket. It penetrates deep into chain rollers to minimize friction, reduce mechanical noise, and protect metal components against corrosion in all weather conditions. Proper tire pressure is the single most critical factor for motorcycle safety, cornering grip, and tire lifespan. The AstroAI 150 PSI digital tire pressure gauge gives you pinpoint accurate readings within half a PSI, unlike cheap pop-up pencil gauges that are notoriously unreliable. Featuring an illuminated backlit LCD display and a lighted nozzle tip, you can easily check your tire pressures in dark garages or during late-night gas stops. It's compact, rugged, and an absolute must-have item for every rider's toolkit. When you need quick access storage for your phone, wallet, visor cleaner, and garage opener, the ILM Waterproof Tank Bag is a total game changer. Featuring powerful, heavy-duty magnetic mounts that snap firmly onto steel fuel tanks, along with adjustable strap options for composite tanks, this bag stays locked in place even at triple-digit highway speeds. It includes a clear, touchscreen-friendly top pocket for smartphone navigation, heavy-duty waterproof zippers, and an included rain cover for extreme weather riding. Finally, round off your build by swapping out those ugly, oversized stock factory mirrors with the sleek SHEJISI motorcycle mirrors. Built from CNC machined billet aluminum with anti-glare blue tinted lenses, these stealthy rear-view mirrors give your bike an aggressive custom profile while actually improving rearward visibility. They feature full 360 degrees rotation adjustments, dampening high-speed engine vibrations so you see what's coming up behind you clearly instead of a blurry buzz. And there you have it, 20 absolute game-changing motorcycle gadgets available on Amazon that will elevate your riding experience in 2026. All product links are listed right down in the description below so you can check them out today. Which one of these upgrades are you adding to your motorcycle first? Drop a comment down below, smash that like button if you enjoyed this roundup, and hit subscribe to Gadget Drop for more top-tier motorcycle gear breakdowns. Ride safe, keep the rubber side down, and we'll see you in the next one.